Hi, how are you? Good evening. We're about to grill chicken. Oh my god, this chicken. Look at this chicken. This is 5.5 pounds of chicken. Yeah, first we do, you already know, lemon pepper. First thing, lemon pepper. You gotta have this season. This is all we do. Lemon pepper all day. This is why the first thing go on here, lemon pepper. This the champ of the season. Next thing, we're gonna do paprika. Paprika. But you wanna sprinkle of this. Sprinkle. Look at this. Sprinkle. Just sprinkle. Yeah, that's it. You don't want too much of that. And then complete seasoning. Also, more than a sprinkle, more than a sprinkle. Ooh, drop. Rain. It's raining. Then next thing you want is mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is that thing that you want in all foods. So, damn, the spoon don't go in here. Oh my god. See, it don't go. It don't go. So I'm gonna do freehand. So I'm gonna just rub it, on the chicken. Rub it on the chicken. Chicken wing. This chicken wings, Chicken wings. Next thing we're gonna do, very important thing. We're gonna do a little bit mustard. Just a little bit mustard. Oh yeah, this is both good for both. This mustard, you grab it, you put on this one and this one, and you rub it in. Yeah, and then look, you want this Parmesan cheese. Oh man, you want it. You want this Parmesan cheese. Yeah, hit the spot. This cheese hit the spot. Yes. Yes, it does. Now, next main thing. Shit, I have my hand dirty. Oh my goodness. Man, but look, next thing, we cooking up George Foreman. George Foreman out here on 1.5. That's hard. George Foreman 1.5. Oh yeah. So, it's the top fell and stuff. It's okay. We still cooking. So next thing we want, just look at this coconut oil. Coconut. Coconut in this thing. Just coconut hard. Oh yeah. I thought it was. Oh yeah. This coconut looking good. Show it on the church. Turn up the thing. Turn up the heat. Oh yeah, we on 3 now. Are we coconut oil with that? Yeah, so now the chicken nuggets or the chicken wings. Look at this. Oh, they going on the George Foreman. Oh yeah. And the next series. Wow. Oh, so delicious. I'm superstitious, love the dish. With wings. Yeah. They grilling. You have to grab the top and close it. Thank you for watching. What's up? We grilling. Never drug deal. Yeah. Just thank you for watching my channel. I say dumb stuff, but it doesn't matter, Thank you for watching. We're cooking wings, grilling on George Foreman grill. Looking good, we're looking good. We close it up. Put it on lower temperature, and cook them. Let's cook them. They're gonna be looking so good. So good soon. So good. Thank you and peace. Thank you for watching. God bless. Thank you. Bye-bye.